When the Romans took over Pompeii in 310 BC, it was decided that Jupiter would be the town's most important god. This god of the sky and thunder was much loved by the Romans, so the main temple in Pompeii became the Temple of Jupiter. Inside this grand building, there was a special room that only the priests were allowed to enter, with statues of Jupiter and the goddesses Juno and Minerva. Worship here stopped in AD 62 when an earthquake damaged the building. In fact, it was still waiting for its repair work in AD 79 when Mount Vesuvius erupted.